Hi, I'm Andrea from Andrea's Tips and Tricks, and I'm here to provide you with everything you need to get started using ChatGPT. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is open a web browser. In this example, I'm using Google's Chrome. However, if you like, you can use any of the popular web browsers out there like Safari, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. We'll get started by navigating to the ChatGPT homepage. To do this, we just go to the web address bar at the top of the page and type in chatgpt.com, then press Enter. When the ChatGPT website opens, we have options to log in or sign up. Since it's our first time using ChatGPT, we'll click Sign Up. Now it asks for an email address. So, go ahead and type in the email you wish to use, and then click Continue. Here I'm typing in my own email for Andrea's Tips and Tricks, but make sure to use one you have access to. All right, we're ready to click Continue. As you can see, this brings up a place to enter a password. Along with your email address, you'll be using the password you put here to log into ChatGPT in the future. Just make sure it's memorable and at least 12 characters. When done, click Continue. Okay, time to verify your email. As you can see, the site is telling us it just sent a code to the email you provided earlier, so we'll check our email for a message from ChatGPT with the verification code inside. When you find the code, you'll want to copy this. Now that you have the code copied, we'll go back to the window with ChatGPT and type or paste the code in the space provided. Check to make sure it is correct and click Continue. Finally, you'll be asked for a name and birthday. It doesn't really matter what name and birth date you use. Here, I'll put my first name, and let's choose Valentine's Day as the birth date. Great. Now click Continue for the last time. As you can see, we arrive at a new screen, which says, What can I help with? Below that, we have a gray box where we can enter text. That's it. If you're here, your free account is set up, and you're ready to dive into the fascinating world of ChatGPT, where we'll begin our journey.